Today, this morning,
Kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC na kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET ni mambiriirie ciikaro cia kwaririria ngirimiti njeru ya kiwira ya mwaka wa 2025-2029.
Yes. So at least as we have come up with a timeline.
Thegia ya kiama gia KUPPET gukorwo kianeanite mendekithia mao kuri TSC muthiaini wa mwaka muhituku. TSC juma na macokio o mothe makoregana kana kuyukia mendekithia ma kiama gia KUPPET na uguo ikihoya ihinda nginyagia tariki 20 gucoka methaini.
We agreed that we are meeting again on or before 20th of July because of consultation in government, and that meeting is supposed to conclude on all the issues that we had presented on 31st of October 2024.
Baadhi ya zile vipengele ambao vilikuwa vinaleta utata, ndio sababu tukairisha mkutano, ni mambo ya pesa zenyewe. Ni kiasi ya pesa ngapi? Pia tumeweza kusungumzia jambo la hii CBA. Tunataka i-benefit sana walimu wa darasa.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama gia KUPPET Akelo Misori, ritariri matigwetekera gukugirio wara na njira ya gwikira kirore ngirimiti itari ya kibesha. Gatagati ka maundu maria kiama gia KUPPET kiendekithitie ari nyongerera ya mishara ya gatagati ga gicunji kia 50 na 100% na kugacirithio gwa thikimu ya mutungata ma urigitani wa arutani hamwe na mangĩ.
When we meet them on or before 20th of July, our expectation is high that the teacher, especially those teachers who did not benefit from the 2016-2021 CBA, are the ones who are going to take the center stage in the remuneration that we expect.
Kiama giki ona kuhanura uguo nikio rotete kamiti ya TSC ni gwikururia ukinyaniri-ini wa ngirimiti ino, kuona ngirimiti njeru ifatie kwambiriria kurutithio wira muthiaini wa mweri uyu.
The Teacher Service Commission is aware that if they don't live up to what we expect, then it means that something more drastic will take place.
Hadini hakamemeti ve jitagwo Gina wa Wadiro.